In today's episode, we're going to take a look at Karplus-Strong from Hacktive. So, if you're into Pluck or hammer string sounds, then you might be interested in this VST. Besides being a free download, it's a wonderful little sounding machine. And in this video, I will show you how it works and the sound of it. And also, how to get it and how to use it to elevate your melodic game to the next step. So, let's have a look. Okay, so a bit of history behind the synth, because I think it deserves. Karplus-Strong string synthesis is a method of synthesizing the sound of a pluck or hammer string using physical modeling. The algorithm was invented by Alexander Strong and Kelvin Karplus, hence the name of this synth, in 2001 on Max MSP. Basically, what Hacktive did was following the footsteps of this program and developing it into a new synth, a sort of tribute to the original creators. So here we have the synth, and it's really simple. It has 4 knobs: manipulation, brightness, resonance, filter, and then impulse. Then, in the total Hacktive fashion style, you have the randomization parameter, which includes the 4 elements: brightness, resonance, filter, and impulse. So if I just random this sound, which is very nice, because when things get randomized, they usually get really interesting. Then another interesting parameter is the ability of changing colors. So this is something that I really personally love because it makes it sexy, I would say. So I can change the color of the Karplus-Strong on the color palette here. So let's go to red. And then, of course, you can change the opacity, and then the shades of red. And another thing is that you can change the brightness, so you can make the background white or black. I like red and black. So definitely, this synth, it sounds pretty good, like if you like Pluck sound of hammer string. But if you want to take it to the next level and you add an arpeggiator or a chord device, it takes the melodic game to the next level. So now let's put an arpeggiator on. And obviously, if we put like a 4x4 kick drum just to have an accompaniment. Sometimes the randomization can be pretty brutal. And if you want to take the melodic game one step ahead more, you can have a random chord generator or any other type of chord generator device. In my case, I use this one because I'm very familiar with it. It's a Max for Live created by Mario Nieto. I put the link in the description, and you can find the free version and the paid version. I got obviously the paid version. And you can go with a much more melodic intonation and take it to then with an arpeggiator on. So you can see that we can really get to a very interesting, method of using this Pluck sound and take it to, a very next level. So yeah, I think the Karplus-Strong from now on is going to be my new addition that is going to be part of my VST folder. If I really like to make this kind of trancy arpeggios, those kind of really full of delays and reverb, psychedelic, huge arpeggiated sounds. Karplus-Strong is really good because it's got this strong pluck and hammer string sound that has a really nice appeal to it. And I will put the link in the description on how to get it. And also, if you like this video, I invite you to put a like and subscribe so that you will help me to make more videos like this in the future and probably helping me to monetization. So that's everything for today. Thank you for everything and see you on the next one.